Welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the cross section of a leaf and also be looking at the functions of the palisade cells, the sponge layer, the stomata and the cuticle. And if you're new here and you want to learn educational stuff like this and everything that is to do with education, please start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's get started. So first of all, you wanna draw, we are drawing the cross section of a leaf. So first of all, you wanna draw a line like this. So this is the top line on the cross section of a leaf, that is called the cuticle. So I draw a line like this. So this is the cuticle, like this. And then we draw things like this. So this is called the upper epidermis. So this will cover this area here, like this. So they will continue up to the end of this. Keep continuing. So on this channel we also do past papers, that is for Cambridge and other examination board like ZIMSEC. So consider subscribing, guys, and also click the like button if you like my stuff. So this layer is called the upper epidermis. Now we've done this layer, now we go to another layer that is called the palisade layer. So we draw this cylindrical structure. Continue until the end. So this is the area where most of the photosynthesis take place. You can also look for my video in the video section, where I actually did a video on the palisade cell. So here on this channel we do videos every week, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't miss out on our new videos, and also share with your friends like this. So we'll put something here. So this is like this is a vacuum. Now we're done, and we put something. So this is a chloroplast. chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll, where photosynthesis is centered here. So guys, if you draw neat diagrams, that will also improve your marks when you are in the exams. And also stay on this channel because we'll also be giving you advice on how you can improve your school grades. And we've done this layer. Now we'll go to another layer. This is called the sponge layer. This one is a little bit harder for me to draw here, but I'll stick on. So I did my high school at Chinoy 2 High School, and finished in the year 2019. So if you know me, you've seen me, and just say in the comment section hi. And you guys, if you have questions or you want to ask something or provide information of anything, let me know in the comment section. And if you are interested in watching more videos, click in the links that are on the top of the comment section or that are in the description. And you can also click on the little eye that is up there, that is the YouTube card. I'm excited because one of my videos has just reached 11,000 views in less than 8 months, so I'm really excited about that. So you can also share my videos. I hope I can do more for you guys. Now this is the palisade, the sponge layer, the sponge layer. Now let's draw a line here. So this line comes like this to end here, and then here, and like this, and like this. So this is the lower epidermis, and we've done the lower epidermis. So now we draw, yeah, that is the lower epidermis. The lower upper epidermis, lower epidermis. So if you enjoy my videos, give it a like, and also click on the share button that is below this video. So this one here is called a guard cell. A guard cell. And another here, guard cell. Something like this. So leave this one empty and leave this one empty. We'll do that in a minute. So the guard cell, do it like this. Now let's look at this part. So let's shade here. Now this part here that I shaded is called the cuticle. So the cuticle is a waterproof to the leaf, so as to prevent the excessive water loss from the leaf that will be coming from this part here. And this one is called the upper epidermis. The upper epidermis. I hope you're seeing that. And this one, this whole layer is called the palisade layer. I did a video on the palisade cell. So these are palisades, and they also contain chlorophyll. So if you want to see that video, I will be posting links in the description. Now this layer is called the spongy mesophyll cells. So like just write spongy layer. And now let's look at this one, this part here up to here. So this one is called the what? Lower epidermis. And this one, these two here are called guard cells. And the space between the guard cells is called the stomata. Yeah, now we're done. So we have the palisade cells here. So that is the palisade layer. That's where photosynthesis takes place. And the spongy layer, which is a lot of air spaces to allow easy diffusion of gases through the leaf. And you also have the stomata, that is the space between the guard cells where gases enter and leave the leaf. And the cuticle, that is this layer here, that is the waterproof. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.